Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Sam, and today we're going to talk about something that many of you have been asking for: building a passive income portfolio. Now, the idea of earning money while you sleep sounds pretty awesome, right? Well, that's exactly what passive income is all about: creating streams of income that require little to no active involvement once set up. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide to help you start building your own passive income portfolio, even if you're a complete beginner. Before we get into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. So, what exactly is passive income? In simple terms, passive income is money that you earn regularly with little to no effort. It can come from a variety of sources, like dividends from stocks, rental income from real estate, or royalties from creative work. The beauty of passive income is that once you set up the right systems, your income can continue to flow without you having to actively work for it every day. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. You need to put in the work up front. Why should you even bother with passive income? Well, there are a few key reasons. Financial freedom. Imagine not being dependent on your job for every penny you earn. Passive income can free up your time and give you the flexibility to focus on what you love. Diversification. Relying solely on one source of income, like your 9-to-5 job, can be risky. A passive income portfolio helps spread out your risk and creates multiple income streams. The earlier you start building your portfolio, the more your income will grow. Now, let's get into how you can actually start building a passive income portfolio from scratch. The first step to building a passive income portfolio is understanding your financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Is it extra cash flow to cover living expenses? Or are you looking to build long-term wealth for retirement? How many times do I have to say this? How much passive income you want to generate each month or year? The level of risk you're comfortable with. The timeline for your goals. This will help you decide how much money to allocate to each passive income stream and how much risk you're willing to take on. The next step is choosing your passive income streams. Here are some popular passive income options for beginners. Dividend stocks. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you receive regular payouts, usually quarterly. These are great for steady income with relatively low risk if you choose stable companies. Real estate. Buying rental properties or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, allows you to earn rental payments. However, this can carry more risk. High-yield savings accounts, or CDs, these might not generate huge returns, but they're a safe, low-risk way to build passive income over time. Create an online course or ebooks. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create digital products like courses or ebooks that generate income every time they are purchased. Index funds or ETFs. These funds offer diversification across multiple stocks or bonds, and many of them pay dividends. They're a great way for beginners to earn passive income without having to pick individual stocks. Now that you know what types of passive income streams you want to pursue, it's time to set your investment budget. How much money are you willing to invest in these passive income sources? As a general rule of thumb, only invest money that you can afford to leave untouched for a while. Since passive income is often long-term, you need to be patient. Start small, maybe with a few $100s, and gradually scale up as your income grows. Make sure to also diversify your investments to reduce risk. One of the best ways to make passive income truly passive is to automate your investments. Many platforms allow you to set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts, whether it's stocks, ETFs, or real estate. For example, set up auto-invest in dividend stocks or index funds. Use robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront to automate your investments based on your risk tolerance and goals. The goal here is to set it and forget it. Let the system work for you. Reinvesting your earnings is key to building wealth over time. If you receive dividend payouts or rental income, instead of spending it, consider reinvesting it into more assets. This compounding effect can significantly boost your passive income over the years. The more you reinvest, the faster your portfolio grows. Oh, to wrap it up, here's a quick review of the steps to build your passive income portfolio. Understand your financial goals. Choose your passive income streams. Set your investment budget. Automate your investments. Reinvest your earnings. Building a passive income portfolio doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency and the right strategy, it can be a game changer in your financial journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Drop a comment below and let me know what type of passive income you're most excited to start with. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing.